with this microscope, I am actually upgrading the lighting system. And the method in which I did that is that I glued in a second lens from a broken magnifying glass back here. And what that does is that it makes it so that the light spread is lesser, and so that the light is therefore brighter. And the second thing I did is I built a lift system for the microscope, and I'm going to show you that right now. And so I built a lift system for my microscope. It starts here with 4 worm gears, a flat gear, this gear, this gear, this gear. Look at that beauty. It spins like a beauty. And then on the outside, this thing attaches on, as well as these 2 gears to create a fine and coarse adjustment knob. Along with this thing, this, and finally this. Now, this piece right here has a line gear that hooks up to these worm gears, and this line gear and the worm gear, when they connect, they move up and down very slowly, and even slower if you use the fine adjustment. So basically, I'm just going to screw the thing back together, and yeah, that's how it's going to be fixed. Got it back in one piece. Now, I just need to throw in this lighting system under there and hook up something to connect it to. As you can see, the lighting system now is significantly brighter than it was because of that simple modification that I made, where I added that piece. Amazingly enough, it actually works up to 400x. It might even work up to 1000x, but I'm not 100% sure. There's a specimen at 40x, at 50x, I believe. A specimen at 100x, at 400x. And I don't even have the fine adjustment knob hooked up. I'm going to eventually hook it up, but I don't have it hooked up right now. So, I fixed my microscope. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Finally, here's a specimen at 1000x that I have finally managed to get in focus after a really long time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next